Sections is way more stressful than any other thing of the whole year because, you know, there's like 15 teams there. And so you're just like, we better have a great day today. You can't have an off day. I think one of the things that happened to us is we started scoring so high early in the year with Jazz that we kind of got complacent a little bit. I mean, do you agree? And now we're playing catch up. And I reached out because I'm like, I just feel like our scores aren't where they are. And they go, well, you're not right where you think you are. So we have to play catch up. I was found out today that there's another team that shall remain nameless that's practicing 2 days right now. That's what we're up against. You know, if we want to be there, we've got to push, okay? And I think everybody's getting a little pouty when they get told something. Maybe I'm misreading that, but you got to go, okay, coach, I'm going to work on it because
we're fixing you to fix so that we can be where we want to be at state, right?
So right now, nobody should be sticking out, and if you are, you should be a little paranoid, you know? And if you get told something, go after it. Okay, so face.
I think we need to go back to where we were with our movement quality when we choreographed this dance. I think you guys were so into it at that point, and now we've kind of gotten used to it, and sometimes we're just kind of going through the motions again.
That always happens. I feel like at this point of year where it's like you forget how we choreographed it and how we were doing it originally.
And maybe that's why we were scoring so high at first, you know?
Like we were saying,
when you guys just did that peel, it was night and day different when you really body rolled through it. So, and I know it's hard to do it all the time, you guys, but that's why we're good, you know? Faces, I feel on turns are our number one thing we got to do, and I don't know what to do to get you to do them. I don't know. You got to tell me. I mean,
I feel like I'm doing faces.
Okay, so you are doing faces a lot. I feel you're doing faces a lot right now. I feel like a lot of people have regressed, and some are come and go faces, you know.
And that was another thing that she commented on was our faces and how they're inconsistent.
So we do need to, and let's not do this in the gym, but I asked yesterday, I'll ask again today, you guys got to sit down with the group and go, what faces are we doing here? What faces are we doing here? And you guys can, I mean, I don't think we need
us to do it.
You don't need us to do that. You take charge of it and do it. And sit and sponge in the circle and go, let's do this face and figure it out, okay? That'd be a good thing to do on a break instead of abs right now because we need the faces right now, okay? So empower yourself to do that. All right. Guys, I have 6 more people watching our video this week, so get ready. Figure if we get 1 tip from each person, it's points, right? So a person that watched our video also said that when we do our attitude.
She said some people are very controlled and some people look like they're flailing. It's kind of what we've been saying. She didn't specifically say who, but you kind of got to check yourself, watch your video and go, I'm a flailer, right? Baby, 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 why you wanna go and break my heart? Ooh, ooh, this is beautiful singing. 6, 7, and 8, and out.
Whoa, we're way out. Doing fine.
I feel like I'm sticking out, and then I don't know.
No. You're good. You're good. I just felt like you were sad yesterday when we switched the party. Were you mad?
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay, you're good.
And going into like our little.
Like a lot of people have been a mess. India didn't even get to do the turn last time, so I think the new spots are reeking your heads.
Yeah, we go from like inside the white line all the way out to the end.
You guys, I don't like them in that. I don't like it not in the line anymore because
I don't like it either because we look really off on it now.
Really
and I feel like our
they were way
weak.
More on.
I think can we go back to where we were at and just move it in a little closer?
That's what I would do. I think it's.
So go back to that part.
That was one part they almost looked good on every time. And don't get in your heads right now. You've got 2 weeks to get this stuff down that we changed. So let's just be positive. Don't be too hard on yourself. Look, it's like I want you to be hard on yourself to get stuff, but not to the point where you're like...
Don't freak yourself out.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Just push, and that's all we care. Just push. It says, faces, come on, you guys. Somebody's on a different drummer there. I don't know who. Did you see those turns?
What?
Said we were like way up. Watch hands right here.
I feel like they're not having their best day today.
Good face, Harley. There you go. Yeah. New part. I love that.
I do too.
We were not
This is
timed
better.
together, you know.
Way better. Stretch that knee. Push your releve. That was way better though, formation-wise.
Oh.
Really make sure with that last turn set, because there was a lot of flat foot turning and a lot of like just low releves. It's
She
the
said
last,
the low releve can go from a 9 to an 8. So, you know,
So push it.
it's a lot of pressure.
Push it. What? Some people's turnouts aren't very good
You
and
can
it's
leave that.
confusing that it looks like some people are parallel and some people are turned out and it looks like a mistake. So if you don't have a good turnout between now and then, I think you should sleep at night like this. Yeah, baby.
Kick,
What?
cheer us on. We're doing a full
Yeah, we're
run
gonna go up
through.
top.
And you know what you could do while we do it?
Think
you
about
can spread out
all the
across
little
here
details
and
of stuff.
Just jog while we do this. Because if they're working, you should be working, right?